Hello everyone. Now today we are starting error checklist 62 of Nimisha Bansal ma'am. Here are some error detection questions which we are going to start in this session. So let's start error detection questions. Now just go through the first question. First question says the Union Health Ministry's decision to introduce the new treatment regimen for drug resistant tuberculosis hardly a couple of years after it was recommended by the Health World Health Organization WHO are a step in the right direction. So here the error is in part D because here R is written and Union Health Minister, this is a singular subject. So we will use singular verb which is is. So the error is in part D. Now we will move to next question. The move makes with singular subject we are using plural verb makes tremendous sense for a country that voluntary set itself. Now voluntary and set both are verb. We will use an adverb which will modify the verb. So we will not use voluntary, we will use voluntarily. That voluntarily set itself an earlier target for TB elimination by 2025, 5 years ahead of the global target under the UN Sustainable Development Goal. So the error is in part B. Now we will move to another question number third. Question third says the government has admirably shown a commitment and political will to see the back of TB. मतलब जो गवर्नमेंट है उसने अपना कमिटमेंट और पॉलिटिकल विल दिखाया है एंड हैज ओवर द इयर्स इम्प्लीमेंटेड सेवरल मेजर्स इन नीड ऑफ दिस और कई सारे उसने मेजर्स भी इम्प्लीमेंट किए हैं इसके हेल्प के लिए. So the sentence is free from error, so the answer will be E1. Now we will move to question fourth. Question fourth says India's reduction of TB incidence with 16% from 2000. We will not use with here, with preposition here. Instead, we will use India's reduction of TB incidence by 16% from 2016 to 2022 is almost double the pace at which global TB incidence is declining as per WHO's Global TB Report 2023. So we will not use with preposition in first A1. Now we will move to question fifth. Question fifth says the NFP immediately staked claim to forming the next. With to we always use first form. Forming will not be used, it will be to form the next government and even pick the prime ministerial candidate. So the error is in part B. Now we will move to next question. Next question says Mr. Macron called the snap election to defeat the far right, saw the victory of the left wing bloc, but appoint a conservative as the prime minister. So here everything is in past tense, so appoint will not be used, it will be appointed, but appointed a conservative as the prime minister. So the error is in part C. Now we will move to question 7. When says Mr. Macron's rationale was that he chose institutional stability as more other political blocs were opposed to a leftist forming the government. Now here more will not be used, instead we will use as most other because superlative degree is used here. It is used in the sense of greatest extent. So we will not use more, we will use most. So the error is in part D. Now we will move to next question. Question 8 says, Mr. Macron wants a leader who can form a unity government to serve the French people, and Marine Le Pen, the fair right leader, wants a prime minister which works for RN voters. Now here we will not use which. For people we use who and for things we use which. So here who will be used. So the error is in part D. Now we will move to next question 9. Question 9 says Mr. Barnier has served in several conservative cabinets and were the EU's main Brexit negotiator from 2016 to 2021. Here Mr. Barnier is a singular subject, so we will not use were, we will use singular verb which is was. So the error is in part C. Now we will move to next question, last one. And the question says the stretched general election, जो जनरल इलेक्शन हो रहा था उसके डेट आगे बढ़ती जा रही थी, इसलिए और ज्यादा खिंचता जा रहा था, हैज शार्पली स्कपर्ड पब्लिक केपेक्स. स्कपर्ड मीन्स होता है सिंक डेलिबरेटली, मतलब डिक्लाइन हो जाना. पब्लिक केपेक्स मीन्स पब्लिक के एक्सपेंडिचर. एंड द गवर्नमेंट विल नीड टू रीडबल एफर्ट्स. अब गवर्नमेंट को और ज्यादा एफर्ट्स डालने पड़ेंगे टू मीट इट्स स्पेंडिंग गोल्स, कि जो पब्लिक के जो एक्सपेंडिचर वगैरह जो पेंडिंग है उसको पूरा फुलफिल करने के लिए. So here the question is free from error, so the answer will be even. Now let's we wind up this session. अगर आपको ये सेशन पसंद आया so please do like, share and subscribe this session and we'll come with more such videos. Thank you everyone.